Now next one you are going to do is your statement sums. Your statement. What is statement sums? You have to read the full thing, what is you have given in the sum problem. You have to read it and then you have to do it. See, in your exercise you have given weight of a gas cylinder is 16 kilogram and 500 gram. So weight of a gas cylinder is 16 kilogram and 500 gram. A particular house needs 7 cylinders per year. So what is the weight of the gas cylinder? It is 16 kilogram and 500 gram. A particular house needs 7 cylinders per year. So what is the total weight of the gas used in a year? So now immediately in the statement sums. So statement sums, always you have to write the statements. You are not supposed to directly write the values. So what is the first line they have given? Weight of one gas cylinder. Weight of one gas cylinder. So what is the weight of one gas cylinder? It is given in kg and gram. So you have to write kg here and gram. Now how many kgs? 16 kg and 500 gram. Now a particular house needs 7 cylinders. So immediately you have to find out. What you have to find out? What is the total weight of the gas used in a year? So 7 gas you have to find out. So weight of 7 gas cylinders. Weight of 7 gas cylinders. Now what will you do here? You have to immediately multiply with 7. You have to multiply with 7. Now what is 0 sevens are? 0. 0 sevens are 0. 5 sevens are 35. Immediately 3 you have to put here. 6 sevens are 42. 42 plus 3 is what? How much? 45. You have to put here 4. 1 sevens are 7. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 4 it is 11. So you have to write 115 kilogram and 500 gram. 115 kilogram and 500 gram. Now in the statement sums, what did I tell you? Final answer. Whatever the question is given. What is the question given in the statement problem? What is the total weight of gas used in a year? So immediately you have to write, therefore total weight of cylinder in a year is what? 115 kg and 500 gram. This is how you have to do your statement problems. So what you have to do is you have to write, therefore whatever the question, the total weight of gas cylinder in a year is 115 kilogram and 500 gram. Now next one we go on with your division. The next one is your division. See, multiplication, are you clear now? Just straight away you have to multiply and do. Statement sums you have to write full sentence. With full sentence you have to write. Now next one we will go on with your division. See, first one, your example sum is divide 95 gram and 400 mg. You have to divide 95 gram and 400 mg by 8. You have to divide it by 8. Okay, now you cannot directly do like this. So now what you have to do, when you want to convert gram into milligram, I told you what you have to do. You have to multiply with 1000. Already I have written here. So what you have to do, when you want to convert gram into milligram, you have to convert into 1000. So this will become 95,000 plus this 400. Is it clear? Now what will you have? 95400. So together. Now what you have to do this, 95,400, you have to divide it by 8. You have to divide it by 8. Now 8 ones are 8. Now what is the remaining here? 15. Now again one time 8. Then this will become 74 because this 4 you are bringing it here. Now 11, 8. 9s are 72. 8 9s are 72. Now what you have to do here? 4 minus 2, 2. Again this 0 you are bringing it here. Now 8 2s are 16. Now you are bringing 0 minus 6 is what? This will become 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. So 40. This 0 again you are bringing this 0 here. So 40. So 8 5s are 40. So now how will you write it here? Finally, how will you write? Because you have already converted this. So what will you write? It is 11 gram and 925 mg. It is 11 gram and 925 mg. It is 11, or again you can divide it, but without dividing it, what you can do, you can just take this 11 gram and 925 mg. Is it clear now? This is how you have to divide. First convert it into mg or whatever it is you are given, you convert it and then you have to do it. Now next one, in your try this. You try these sums. Try this. First one, 75 kg and 190. 75 kg and 190 gram divided by 5. What is that? 75 kg and 190 gram. 75 kg and 190 gram divided by 5. Now what you have to do is 75 kg and 190 gram with 5 divided by 5. Now what will you do here? Now immediately I told you, when you want to convert, already I told you here, when you want to convert kg into gram, you have to divide it by 1000, because together you have to converting into gram. So this will become 75,000, because I told when you are converting this kilogram into gram, you are converting into multiply. So 75,000, you are writing it 1000 plus 190. So you will get 75,190. Is it clear now? See, when you want to convert kilogram into gram, you are multiplying with 1000. So 75,000 plus 190, you get 75,190. Then you have to divide it by 5. 75,190 divided by 5. 1 time 5, 2 5, you will write here 5. Then 19, because this 0, this 19. 19 means how many times? 3 times 15, 4, 8 times. Is it clear? 40. So now what is the answer you are going to write? You are going to write, what did I tell you? This is 15 kilos, because already you have converted it. So what will you write? 15 kilos and 38 gram. 38 gram. It is 15 kilos and 38 grams. So this is your answer. So 15 kilos and 38 grams. Now next sum, what they are given in your try this. Now what is the next sum they have given? Next sum is 12 kg 240 gram. 12 kg and 240 gram divided by 6. Am I right? Divided by 6. Now same manner, now what you have to do? You have to convert this into gram. So 12,000 plus 240, you get 12240. Now 12240 divided by 6. So 6 2s are 12 times 12, then 240. 24. How many times it will go? 4 times the 0. So what is the answer? What will you write here? You have to write immediately, because already you have converted it. So 2 kilos and 40 grams. You will write 2 kilos and 40 grams. It is 2 kilos and 40 grams. Now next sum what you have given is, find the answer. See, 48 gram and 300 mg. So next one is 48 gram and 300 mg divided by 4. Divided by 4. Now how will you do this? You have to convert this gram into mg. Now again same manner, you have to multiply with 1000. You are multiplying with 1000. So you get 48,000 with 300. You have to add this 300. Already I told you, when you convert gram into mg, you are multiplying it. So 48300. So you have to divide it by 4. 1 time, 2, 4 7s are, am I right? 28, then 2 0, this will become 5 times 20. So now what is the answer you will write? Immediately this 12 grams, you will write 12 gram, and what is the answer? 75 mg. It is 12 gram and 75 mg. See, because already you have converted here, now what you do is, the first two values you can take it as a gram and the last two values can be taken as the mgs. So 12 gram and 75 mg. Now one more sum with this I will teach you. See, 24 gram 800 mg divided by 8. Divided by 8. Now how will you do this divided by 8? 24 gram. Now same manner, when you are converting this gram into mg, you are multiplying with. So 24,000 plus 800. So you get 24,800 divided by 8. Now what is the answer? 8. 3 are 24. Now 800. So this will become 100 times, because 800s are 100. 800. So what is the answer? Immediately 3 gram. Very good. 100 mg. So this is how you have to do your division. Is it clear now? So now what you have to do is, first immediately you convert it into, when it is kg and gram, you convert into gram and then divide it, and the first value you can take it as kg and the last value you can take it as the gram. So this is how you have to do your division sums. See, the next one we will go on with division. You try these sums. Already I told you one example how to do your division, that is 95 gram and 400 mg by 8. Now try these. First sum, we were given 75 kg 190 gram divided by 5. Now what you have to do? 75 kg and 190 gram. See, always this, like this, if they have given, you have to convert into gram, because the last is gram. So how will you convert this kg into gram? I told you, you have to multiply with 1000. This you have to add 190. So you get 75190. Is it clear? Now this 7510 you are dividing with 5. You are dividing with 5. Now 5 ones are 5, 2, 5. Now immediately 5, you are putting your 0. So this 0 should be taken, carried forward here. Then what is this? 190. What is 19? 5 3s are 15. Am I right? 5 3s are 15. So what is 9 minus 5? It is 4. So this 0 you are taking it. So how many times? 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. So now what you have to do? How are you going to do it? See, after this, I told you, you are converting into gram, you are getting this value 15038. Now, how will you write the answer? You can't just straight away write 15038. Now, again, you divide it by 1000. So, when you divide it by 1000, now what you'll have? 15, because 3 zeros, you know, 1, 2, 3. So, put a dot here. So, immediately it is 15 kilos and 38 gram. Is it clear now? 15 kilos and 38 grams. So this is how you have to do your sum, first sum. Now second sum, what is the second sum they have given? See, second sum, 12 kg 240 gram divided by 6. So 12,000, because you are converting this kg into gram, plus 240. So you write 12240. Now you have to divide it by 6. 6 2s are 12. Now this 0 should be carried here. Now what is it? 240. So how many times it will go? 640 times. 46 are, see, 46 are 240. Is that clear now? So 240. Now what is it you have to write? How many kilogram? So 2 kilo and 40 gram. You have to write 2 kilo and 40 gram. So this 2 kilo and 40 gram. Now next, what is the next sum? 45 kilos 650 gram divided by 11. So again same 45,000 plus 650, you get 45650. You have to divide it by 11. How many times? 11 fours are 44. You get 1 6. Again 1 time. You get 550. So you get 50 times. 50 11s are. See 50 11s are. Is it clear now? 550. 5. So how much it is given? 4150. So the first value will be kilogram. So 4 kilogram and the last 3 value will be what? Gram. So 4 kilogram and 150 grams. Okay, now next sum. Next sum is 25 kilograms and 740 grams. What is it? Next sum is here 25 kg. 25 kg and 740 gram divided by 12. Now same manner. Now what you have to do? 25,000 plus 740. Now how much you are getting? 25740. So this you are dividing it by 12. You are dividing it by 12. So 12 twos are 24. Then 1 7. Again 1 time. So how many times it is going? 54. 54 it goes. So how many times? 12 fours are 48. Then this one is, this will become 14, this will become 4. So 60. So 12 fives are 60. So now what will you write? So I told you the first value will be kg and the last 3 values will be a gram. So 2 kg 145 gram. 2 kg and 145 gram. Now next sum. Next sum is, this is kilogram into gram. Kilogram and gram they are given. Now next side, what is you have given is a gram and a milligram. 48 gram 300 mg divided by 4. Now what you have given is 48 gram and 300 mg divided by 4. Same, how will you convert this gram into mg? 1000. So 48,000 plus 300. So you get 48300. So 48300 divided by 4. You will have 1 time, then 8 2 times. Now what is the answer you get? The 0 again you have to take forward. So 4 sevens are 28. 2 times, 5 times, 4 fives are 20. So now what is the answer you will write here? So I told you the first one. See, first 12. This 12 will be your gram and 75 will be your, the 75 will be your mg. See, 12075 you are getting it. Now what will you write? 12 gram and 75 mg. Now next sum is your 24 gram and 800 mg divided by 8. Divided by 8. Now what will you write? 24,000, because you are converting into mg, plus this 800, you get 24,800. So you have to divide it by 8. 24800. Now 8 terms. 8 3s are 24. Now what will you write? 0. Now you have to bring 0. Now what you have to do here? It is 100 times. So now what will you write your answer? You have to write it is 3 gram and 100 mg. It is 3 gram and 100 mg. See next is sum 66 gram and 600 mg divided by 15. Now you have to convert, when you are converting gram into mg, 66,000 plus 600. Now you will have 66. Now this one you have to divide it by 15. You have to divide it by 15. Now 4 times. Now again 4 times. 4. So now what is the answer? So you have to write 4 gram and 440 mg. So it is 4 gram and 440 mg. Now next sum, what is given is 33 gram, 760 mg divided by 16. Now 33,000 because you are converting, multiplying with 1000. 760 you add. So you get 33760. So you have to divide it with what? 16 times. So 16 twos are 32. Then 17, one time. 160. So you are writing 10 because 1 times 16, the 0 you are carrying. So 160. So now what will you write here? 2 gram and 110 mg. Is it clear? 2 gram and 110 mg. So this is how you have to do your division. First you have to convert it with 1000 or whatever it is, how you are converting it, and next one you are dividing it, and then final answer you are writing it in gram and mg or kilogram and gram. Now next example is statement sum is given in your division. See, Uma distributes 18 kilogram and 750 gram sweets equally to 25 persons. So what does she do? She is distributing sweets of 18 kilos, 750 grams to 25 persons. Now how much of sweet will each person get? Now this is a statement sum, so you have to be very careful. What is the first line they have given? Sweets to be distributed. Sweets to be distributed. Sweets to be distributed only. So sweets to be distributed to 25 persons. That's the first line they have given in your problem. So what is it? Sweets distributed to 25. It is kilogram and gram. So how many kilogram it is? 18, and gram is 750 gram. Now each person's share. So now how many persons are there? Each person's share. That is there are 25 persons. So now what will you do? 18 kilogram and 750 gram divided by 25 persons. Now already I told you, when you convert this kilogram into gram, you multiply it and then you make it as a gram. So 18,000 plus 750 gram, I told you when you are converting this kilogram into gram, you multiply with 1000. Then you add the 750. So you get 18750. So this you have to divide it by 25. Now what is it? 25 sevens are, I think 25 sevens are, it goes 2 sevens are 14, 14 plus 3 17. So you will have 25 sevens are 175. So 125, 125. Again I think 25 5s are, it will go I think. Okay, so it is 50. This 0 will be carried here. So it is 50 into 25. See, 50 into 25 you get. So 1250. So now what you have to do? What is the answer you are getting? 750. So this 750 grams, she is distributing to 25 persons. So the 750 grams is distributed to 25 persons. So first thing what you have to do is, I told you, this kilogram you are converting into gram means you have to multiply with 1000. Then you add this 750. So you get 18750. This 18750 you have to divide with the number of persons. How many persons are there? 25. So you get 750 you get. So the 750 gram, one person will have 750 gram. So each person, so finally what you will write here? Therefore each person's share is 750 gram. So this is how you have to do your statement sums.